Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I'm filming from Abuja, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you different ways that you can identify between the fake and the original ordinary glycolic acid. And without much further ado, of course, my darlings, let's head straight into that video. Okay, so first off of that list is to look at the cover of your glycolic acid. If what you have is the normal regular round cover that you just unscrew to open and screw to seal or to lock your glycolic acid, then what you have is the original ordinary glycolic acid. But if what you have comes in the form of a dropper or a refill cap, then what you have is the fake ordinary glycolic acid. Of course, you're going to be seeing pictures for better illustrations on one side of the screen. Then there is the odor, of course. The fake ordinary glycolic acid has this mild apple smell, okay, and most people have said that that is what the original smells like. So you can see how many people have actually gotten the fake ordinary glycolic acid. Every original ordinary glycolic acid has this mild sour acidic smell. I mean, it's an acid actually, just as the name says, it is an acid. So you're supposed to get the smell of that acid, but it is just going to be a bit mild and almost has no smell at all, aside from that mild acidic smell that you're going to get from it. Another major difference between the fake and the original glycolic acid is that one burns and the other doesn't. As against what most people think, or the new knowledge that a lot of people have been given, I have also spoken it or talked about it before, that a product stinging your skin doesn't necessarily mean that it is working okay. But every original glycolic acid is supposed to give you, that I won't call it a burn, but that's a bit of a tingly feeling here to show that you've actually applied something as harsh as acid on your face. If you have ever used an ordinary glycolic acid and it did not sting you or burn you a bit when you first applied it, then you obviously have had the fake ordinary glycolic acid. So when you shake the bottle, if what you have gets tiny little bubbles, okay, that just foam and settle immediately, then what you have is the fake ordinary glycolic acid. Every original ordinary glycolic acid always has big bubbles. Yes, when you shake it and leave the bottle to sit still, and they will take a little bit more time before they actually settle into the rest of the content of the product. Then there is the thing about the font, okay, and this one is a little bit tricky or tweaky because they actually come in the same font style. And now the difference between the font style on the fake is that it actually comes in a thin lettering or thin font, okay, while the original one has very bold lettering. Obviously, you're going to be seeing a picture here, and I'm also going to leave just a bit of illustration. You can see a word written with thin font and you can see the one written with bold font, okay. That is the major difference. The letterings or font on the fake is thin, while the one on the original glycolic acid is actually bolder. And last but not the least, you want to look at that silver line that runs from one end of the label to the other end of the label. Okay, that silver label, if you see that it is properly aligned in the middle of the container or in the middle of the label, then what you have is the fake glycolic acid. The line, that silver line or ash or gray metallic line on the or that gray line, yeah, you can see what I'm talking about here, that is on the original, is always placed or aligned a little to the bottom, okay, so there is more space between the silver line and the top of the label as against the lower part of the label. The lower part is smaller than the upper part. On the fake, they are both equal because the silver line is in the middle. And I hope that without much further ado, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can now spot between the fake from the original ordinary glycolic acid. Are there other products that you would like me to help you identify between the fake and the original of this product? Drop them in the comment section below and I'll be making a video to that regard immediately. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. If you made it to this point, please click on that thanks button to support this channel with as much as you can with all the dollars in your account. Also, please hit the subscribe button, share this video, like this video if you have not already, leave a comment in the comment section. I will be waiting to interact with you. Until I come away next time in my very next pretty video, make sure you catch up on my other videos and stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.